Hello everyone. Today I will describe you about electronic communication. Electronic communication is communication using electronic device or the internet to send messages quickly and exactly. Examples are email, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram. People use them to chat, share information, send pictures or videos, and communicate with others from different plans. Here, I will describe you only one. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a popular messaging application that allows people to send text messages, make voice and video call, answer videos, photos, and file easily. Thank you.